Are you curious about the future of cryptocurrency? With so many digital coins on the market, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are worth investing in. Hello viewers and welcome to our channel. Today, in this video, we will explore the top 5 crypto coins that will change the game forever. These coins have unique features, strong use cases, and visionary teams behind them. Let's dive in and discover the future of crypto. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin, BTC, is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. One of Bitcoin's unique features is its decentralized system, meaning it operates without a central authority or bank. As with most cryptocurrencies, BTC runs on a blockchain or a ledger logging transactions distributed across a network of thousands of computers. Because additions to the distributed ledgers must be verified by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is kept secure and safe from fraudsters. The value of Bitcoin has experienced extreme highs and lows over the years, but many experts believe it will continue to be a valuable investment due to its limited supply and increasing adoption by mainstream companies. Bitcoin's price has skyrocketed as it's become a household name. In May 2016, you could buy one Bitcoin for about $500. As of June 6, 2023, a single Bitcoin's price was around $25,498. That's a growth of 5,000%. One significant advantage of Bitcoin is that transactions can be made anonymously, making it a popular choice for those who value privacy. Additionally, because BTC operates outside traditional banking systems, users can send money quickly and inexpensively across borders. However, critics argue that Bitcoin's energy consumption during mining processes poses environmental concerns. Despite this criticism, Bitcoin remains one of the top crypto coins on our list due to its widespread recognition and continued relevance in the digital currency market. Number 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum, ETH, is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and one that has attracted a lot of attention in recent years. It was created to be more than just a digital currency like Bitcoin, but rather a decentralized platform for building decentralized applications, dApps. Both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform, Ethereum is a favorite of program developers because of its potential applications, like so-called smart contracts that automatically execute when conditions are met and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Ethereum has also experienced tremendous growth. From April 2016 to the end of June 2023, its price went from about $11 to around $1,806, increasing 16,317%. One of the main features of Ethereum is its smart contract functionality. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. They allow developers to create custom dApps on top of Ethereum's blockchain. This opens up endless possibilities for industries such as finance, healthcare, gaming, and more. For example, DeFi or decentralized finance has exploded in popularity on Ethereum's network over the past year. In addition to its practical applications, ETH also has great potential as an investment opportunity. Its price has been known to fluctuate greatly due to market demand and speculation. Ethereum's innovative technology and versatility make it a coin worth keeping an eye on in the crypto world. Number 3. Tether, USDT. Tether, USDT, is a cryptocurrency that has been gaining popularity in recent years. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Tether is a stablecoin that is pegged to the value of the US dollar. This means that each unit of Tether should have the same value as $1. Unlike some other forms of cryptocurrency, Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by fiat currencies like US dollars and the euro and hypothetically keeps a value equal to one of those denominations. In theory, this means Tether's value is supposed to be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies, and it's favored by investors who are wary of the extreme volatility of other coins. The main benefit of using Tether is its stability. Since it's pegged to the value of the US dollar, users can avoid the volatility associated with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This makes it an attractive option for traders who want to hedge against market fluctuations. Another advantage of using Tether is its liquidity. It's widely accepted on most cryptocurrency exchanges, which means you can easily buy or sell it at any time without having to worry about finding a buyer or seller. However, there are some concerns around Tether's transparency and whether it actually holds enough reserves to back up all units in circulation. Tether, USDT, serves as a stablecoin that allows traders to exchange volatile cryptocurrencies with minimal risk exposure. Its popularity continues to rise because it is pegged directly against fiat currencies like USD. Despite these concerns, many people still find Tether to be a useful tool for trading and investing in cryptocurrencies due to its stability and widespread acceptance within the industry. Number 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin, BNB, is a cryptocurrency that was launched in 2017 by the Binance Exchange. It serves as the native token for the Binance platform, which is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Since its launch in 2017, Binance Coin has expanded past merely facilitating trades on Binance's exchange platform. Now it can be used for trading, payment processing, or even booking travel arrangements. It can also be traded or exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. BNB's price in 2017 was just $0.10. By late June 2023, its price had risen to around $274, a gain of 274,154%. One key feature of BNB is its use as a discount tool on the Binance Exchange. Users who hold BNB can use it to pay trading fees on the platform at a discounted rate. This has led to increased demand for BNB among traders, investors, and other users of the exchange. In addition to its utility on the Binance platform, BNB has also been used for various other purposes within the broader crypto ecosystem. For example, some merchants have started accepting payment in BNB alongside other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. There are many reasons why investors and traders may be interested in holding or trading Binance Coin, BNB. With its unique features and growing popularity, it could be one of the top crypto coins that will change game forever. Despite experiencing some volatility over time like all cryptocurrencies do, Binance Coin, BNB, remains one of the top contenders among cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors alike due to its unique features and potential future applications beyond just being a discount token on an exchange platform. Number 5. US Dollar Coin, USDC. US Dollar Coin, USDC, is a stable coin that was launched in 2018 as part of the Center Consortium, which is backed by Circle and Coinbase. The USDC coin provides an alternative to traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar, with its value pegged to that of the USD at a 1-to-1 ratio. One significant benefit of USDC is that it can be easily transferred across different blockchain platforms, making it highly versatile and useful for cross-border transactions. This feature also makes it easier for traders to move their assets between exchanges without having to worry about currency conversions or other complexities. Another advantage of USDC is its transparency and auditability. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, each USDC token issued has a corresponding reserve held in accredited financial institutions, ensuring that there are always sufficient reserves backing up the value of the tokens in circulation. US Dollar Coin, USDC, offers investors and traders alike an attractive option for stability and security within the cryptocurrency market while providing easy access to global trade opportunities. Like Tether, USD Coin, USDC is a stablecoin, meaning it's backed by US dollars and aims for a 1 USD to 1 USDC ratio. USDC is powered by Ethereum, and you can use USD Coin to complete global transactions. Conclusion: the world of cryptocurrencies is evolving rapidly, and these top 5 crypto coins are leading the charge in revolutionizing the financial landscape. As these coins continue to gain traction and acceptance, their impact on the financial world will only grow stronger. They have the potential to democratize finance, enhance transparency, and empower individuals worldwide. Whether you are an investor, developer, or simply interested in the future of finance, keeping an eye on these game-changing crypto coins is essential. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.